guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you like how to make a trending Instagram edits in just one tap. So you just need to download the Motion Ninja app and just tap on the new project. Now go to the 9:16 ratio and create project and choose always color black. Now tap on the code. Now go to the transform and now just tap on the mirror mask. See, like this. Now you just need to tap on the clip. Now go to the enter group. Now just add some images here you want. Start from here. Now just back and see. That is so quick and easy way to transform these images into this type of videos, and you can upload in Instagram or YouTube channel. Now just we need to export this 60 and done. See, now we are just exporting, and now see. And if you want to watch this type of tutorial, then do subscribe, like and comment, and thank you for watching.